Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today's video is just a quick one, but I'm just going to be sharing with you what I do on every Friday, which I use as my life admin day. And then the first Friday of every month, I make it kind of a little bit of a more intense first Friday life admin day. And I do a big roundup of the previous month. So doing sort of monthly tasks like dumping all of the photos and videos off my phone, just filing and recording all of my invoices and receipts, checking in with any appointments that I need to make, going through my inbox and clearing that out as much as possible, unsubscribing from any mailing lists that I'm no longer interested in, and just trying to keep that under control. As well as doing a little bit of a roundup of the pesky little tasks that you put off throughout the week, or sometimes more than just the week, and just getting all those things done. And I hope you get some motivation from following along with me, and it motivates you to get a few things tackled off your to-do list. So let's get started. So this is the current state of the bedroom. I'm in the middle of doing a couple of organizing projects, and as always, it gets worse before it gets better. So I'm just trying to utilize all of that high space up there with the shoe racks that I used to have in my bathrooms from Kmart, and then just some white basic plastic storage tubs from IKEA. So let's get organizing.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
So in the white IKEA storage tubs, we have got swimwear. This one is for the spare bed sheets, which are just in the wash currently. There is one for travel type bags. That one is going to have jeans in it when I unpack my jeans from the packing box that's still down there, the little IKEA storage box. I do have these drawers that I've put together in a couple of videos ago, which are great, but they don't have as much storage space as my old drawers, and also I'm using the top ones for accessories and sunglasses. The second one down just has bras and crop tops. This one has just like socks and underwear. This one has all of my workout clothes, and I love this because it's organized into workout outfits. So it's not by, well, these ones are like by tights and types, but this is like by outfit. So I have got 4 workout outfits all made up, put out together. So you've got the tights, you've got the top, you've got like a sports bra, and in this one I've even got like socks and underwear to match these. So then you've got literally no excuses when you want to get ready for a workout or just like to go for a walk or something. It's all there ready to go. And then the bottom one down is just PJs and kind of PJ pants, and then loungewear type tops. But since I have fewer drawers, I used to store my jeans and my sweats and everything in my drawers, but now that I've got fewer drawers, I needed some alternate storage. And that is where they're coming in. This is all going to get a big declutter next week. I've got that set aside and scheduled just to go through all of my hanging clothes, which, to be honest, in comparison to a lot of people, this is really not too much stuff, but I'm out of space and I'm out of hangers for stuff that I am wearing, so this has all got to have a good colour, a good declutter, and a good going through. Next life admin day job is to spray the WD-40 on the squeaky doors.
With you and I, the future is bright.
Another thing on the to-do list is to hang up these command hooks in the boys' bathroom. So the hook that's in there is really high, which my youngest son Riley can't reach. So I'm going to put these ones, which are on the back of the old house bathroom, just up so that they can hang their towels easily. Just a little something to do, but it's just been put off because you've got to get the strips, you've got to get this, you've got to put it on. So now it's like no more excuses, just get it done.
No limit to what we can do. you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
The next thing that I wanted to do was to switch out the plug that I had my phone charger in, because it was like a USB plug, but it had blue lights coming out, so it was like lighting up the bedroom at night. Again, not a big thing, but it's just something that you need to just set aside time to find one of these and then just switch it out and get it done. This was the old one, and it just shines out this light blue light, this really bright blue light, so I just wanted to switch that one out, and now it's switched over and done, so it's not going to be shining bright through the night time. Next up is to get this surge protected power board set up so that all my computer equipment gets put through this, not just plugged straight into the wall, because this does have a surge protector. So that's just another thing that I've been kind of procrastinating on, because I just have to move stuff around, shift it. I had to unplug the record player and things from this. I was using it as an extension cord, but now no more excuses, just get it done. Since I was going to be spending a few hours on my computer, I thought it would be a nice idea just to give my workspace a nice clean down, just dusting and then cleaning it with some glass cleaner before I sat down to go through all of my phone. And this is something I really like getting in the habit of at the end of every month, just pulling all of the photos and videos off my phone and into a specific folder for that month that I set up each year. So I set up a folder for each year on my computer, and within that folder I set up a subfolder for each month that I just pull all of my phone video and footage off and just dump it into there, and then I can quickly sort through it and delete anything that I don't want. That way it's all there, it's all saved, it's all recorded, and my phone isn't full of photos and videos and taking up all of my storage. It only takes about 20 minutes if you do it regularly. Probably less if you don't take as many photos and videos as I do. For YouTube, I often use my phone. But it's just getting in the habit of regularly doing these things so that they don't build up. Another thing that I like to do is I just scan copies of all of the receipts and invoices for the previous month. That way, again, you're just staying on top of it and it's not building up and building up. I am definitely the type of person who is much more motivated and inspired to sit down and work if my workspace is nice, clean, decluttered, organized and under control. So I hope this has been motivation for you to just spend a little bit of time on a Friday, each Friday, and then once a month just dedicate maybe a couple of hours to just doing all those life admin tasks that can typically get out of control if you let them. Yeah, they're definitely not the most fun thing to do, but honestly, once you get them done, you'll feel so much better. And then make sure you reward yourself with something special, a little treat. I usually get my nails done every month after I've done my life admin. Today I had to do it before I did my life admin day because we went into a surprise 3-day lockdown. After 6 months of being relatively back to normal, we had a mutant UK strain of COVID that has come in Brisbane. Although it's only for 3 days, hopefully it is only for 3 days. You've really got to feel for all of the businesses and all of the workers who are now out of job and out of employment for even just for 3 days. It can have such a huge impact. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some motivation to get some things ticked off your to-do list. Have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.